Good morning. Welcome to our fruit shop. How can I help you today?
Good morning. Everything looks so fresh. What's in season right now?
Right now, we have juicy mangoes, sweet watermelons, and fresh cherries. Would you like to try some?
That sounds great. Can I taste a cherry?
Of course. Here you go.
Wow, that's really sweet. I'll take half a kilo of cherries. How much are they?
Cherries are $5 per kilo, so half a kilo will be $2.5.
That's reasonable. And these mangoes look amazing. Where are they from?
These are from a local farm. They're naturally ripened and very juicy.
I'll take 2 mangoes. What about apples? Do you have any organic ones?
Yes, these are organic apples freshly picked from the orchard. They're $3 per kilo.
Great, I'll take a kilo of those too. By the way, do you have any exotic fruits?
Yes, we have dragon fruit, kiwi, and passion fruit. Would you like to try something new?
I'll try one dragon fruit. How do I eat it?
Just cut it in half and scoop out the inside with a spoon. It's refreshing and full of nutrients.
Sounds interesting. I'll take one. Actually, I want to eat healthier. What do you recommend?
Bananas are a great option. They give instant energy. Avocados are also fantastic if you like creamy textures.
That's a good idea. I'll take a bunch of bananas and 2 avocados.
Great choice. If you like smoothies, I have fresh blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries.
Oh, I love smoothies. Maybe I should get some strawberries. Do you have recipe suggestions?
Yes, blend strawberries with bananas, yogurt, and a little honey. It's delicious.
That sounds amazing. I'll take a small pack of strawberries.
If you like tropical flavors, try blending mango, coconut milk, and pineapple. It's like a vacation in a glass.
Wow, that sounds delicious. All right, add a pineapple too. Oh, before I forget, how do I store mangoes properly?
If they're ripe, keep them in the fridge to last longer. If they're still hard, leave them at room temperature until they soften.
Good to know. I always end up with overripe mangoes because I forget to check them.
Haha, that happens. A tip: store them in a paper bag to speed up ripening.
That's useful. What about watermelons? How do I pick a sweet one?
Look for a yellow spot on the bottom. That means it ripened naturally. Also, knock on it. If it sounds hollow, it's usually juicy and sweet.
I'm going to try that trick. This one sounds good.
Yes, want me to cut it in half for you?
Yes, please, it'll be easier to store. You know, mangoes remind me of my childhood. I used to climb trees and pick them straight from the branches.
That sounds fun. Many people have memories of eating mangoes with their family. In my hometown, we used to dip them in chili salt.
Oh, I've heard of that, a sweet and spicy combo. Do you have any other unique fruit traditions?
Yes, in some cultures, people eat watermelon with feta cheese. It's a strange combination but very refreshing.
That's interesting. Maybe I should try it.
You should. Food combinations can be fun to experiment with.
Have you ever tried grilled pineapple? It's amazing on burgers or with cinnamon and honey.
Yes, the heat brings out the sweetness. It's a great idea for a summer barbecue. Do you usually buy fruits every week?
Yes, I try to eat fresh fruits daily. It's healthy and refreshing.
That's great. Many people prefer packaged snacks, but fruits are the best natural option.
Absolutely. Do you ever get rare fruits, like custard apples or star fruit?
Sometimes, but they sell out quickly. If you want, I can reserve some for you next time.
That would be great. Let me know when you have them.
Sure. So, your total bill is $32.5.
Can I get a small discount? I'm a loyal customer.
Haha. Alright, since you always buy from me, I'll give you a discount. Let's make it $30.
Thank you. That's very kind of you. Here's the payment.
Thank you. Here's your bag. Have a great day.
You too. See you next time.